We're going to look at installing the Reflex40 installation file. Reflex40.exe you will have downloaded or obtained by some other means. Execute it and the installation wizard will appear. Click on Next, accept the agreement, and then enter the password which you will have been given. Click Install to start the installation, and then wait while the Reflex40 files are unpacked and put onto your PC. Ensure that you have the Launch Reflex40 Offline Demo checkbox ticked and click on Finish. The Reflex40 software will start up, and after the splash screen you'll see the main Reflex40 page appear. The software is now ready for us to start.